Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the Xbox 360, then remove any detachable HDD so nothing shifts while you work. Once done, use a Torx T8 or a thin flat pick to carefully pry the USB door area free, feeling for plastic clips rather than forcing metal. Make sure to separate screws and small springs into labeled containers. This prevents loss and saves time reassembly. You'll feel distinct clicks as clips release. Stop and reassess if something resists to avoid cracking the bezel. You now inspect the hinge pins and latch area for broken tabs or warped plastic that prevent closure. If a tab is missing, use a small dab of plastic-friendly epoxy to rebuild it, then clamp lightly for 10-15 minutes to set. Alternative is swapping the spare USB door piece. Make sure the metal spring sits in its channel and provides even tension. Once glued or replaced, realign the hinge pins and actuate the door several times to confirm smooth motion and correct seating. You finish by snapping the bezel back together, reinstalling screws and the HDD, and powering the console to test the USB door and port. Once powered, open and close the door 5-10 times while watching alignment. The door should seat flush, and the USB port should accept a device without resistance. If it sticks or won't latch, remove the bezel and clean contact points with isopropyl alcohol, then re-glue or fit a replacement part. If problems persist, replace the entire USB door assembly to ensure reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.